Best ways to deep clean your bedroom like a professionals. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. With everyone in the family currently spending their time indoors, having a clean home has never been more crucial. Not only does it help reduce the possibility of germs, but it can also spell the difference between a healthy home and a family that's at risk of contracting a virus. Now it's time to turn your bedroom into a clean and relaxing place to be. You'll be crawling into clean sheets in a spotless room by nighttime. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A powerful vacuum cleaner with attachments. Bamboo fiber cloths or clean rags. Warm water and mild soap. Glass cleaner, or make your own by combining a 1:1 ratio of water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Disinfecting spray. A new cotton mop, the kind with the soft loops, or a clean, long-handled duster. Baking soda. Number 1. Start a load of laundry. Strip the bed of sheets, pillowcases, comforter, and mattress cover. Get your laundry started so the cycle can run while you're working on the rest of the bedroom. You should wash these every week or so. Down and down alternative blankets can usually be machine washed in cool water and dried in the dryer. Just remember to set the temperature to low and add a wool ball, not a tennis ball, to the dryer to plump it up while it tumbles. Stop the cycle every 20 to 30 minutes to break up any clumps with your hands and let it run until you're sure it's completely dry. Number 2. Clean pillows. Aim to clean your pillow every 6 months, or quarterly if you have allergies. Feather down pillows or foam pillows should be hand-washed with warm, soapy water. Allowed to air dry, preferably outdoors. Man-made fabrics like cotton, nylon, and other synthetic materials can be thrown in the washing machine with a detergent that doesn't suds up a lot. An ideal mix for cleaning is hydrogen peroxide to kill germs, baking soda to get rid of smell, and oxygen bleach to get rid of any mysterious stains. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Number 3. Wash walls and windows. Dust isn't just for side tables and dressers. It can also coat walls, ceiling fan blades, crown molding, and window sills. Use a new cotton mop to dust walls and corners, or use the extension on the vacuum to suck up cobwebs from the top corners. Vacuum your heating and air conditioning vents to clear them of dust. Use a microfiber cloth and warm, soapy water to wipe the window sills and tracks, and use glass cleaner to polish the windows. Clean light switches and doorknobs with a cloth and disinfectant spray. Number 4. Clean surfaces and storage. Use a clean damp cloth to dust all surfaces, furniture, door frames, and lamps. Using your vacuum's crevice tool, vacuum the folds of your bare mattress until it's really clean. Then flip it over to help it wear evenly over time. If you have a pillow top, try rotating head to foot instead. Either take down your curtains and wash or dry clean them according to care instructions, or use your vacuum's hose attachment to thoroughly dust them. Remove clothes from the closet and bureau. Vacuum the closet well. Use the crevice tool again to clean all corners and wipe down the shelves with a damp cloth. Wipe the inside and outside of the bureau drawers, and dust the top. Neatly return clothes to their places. And number 5. Clean floors. Use a bamboo fiber cloth and warm soapy water to wipe down the baseboards. Use the vacuum extension to clean under the bed. Remove any area rugs and vacuum, or just give them an old-fashioned, stress-busting beating outside. If you have hardwood floors, vacuum and mop the floor. To freshen up carpets, sprinkle some baking soda and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, vacuum the rug twice, once in each direction, to deep clean the pile of your carpet. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out remarkable tips how to disinfect your bathroom during viral outbreak. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.